The provisioning server allows you to automate the process of installation and configuration of operating systems on dedicated servers with just a few clicks. The remote provisioning server operates on the basis of DHCP and TFTP servers built into the remote agent. Configuration and synchronization of the remote agent are required for the provisioning server to work correctly. If you wish to find out more about remote agents in EasyDCIM, feel free to check out our series of videos that cover this topic in detail. Now, in order to display a list of provisioning servers in EasyDCIM, proceed to the side menu and choose More. Now navigate to the OS installation extension. As you might notice, each provisioning server is assigned to the appropriate location in the system. The module supports a number of predefined installation templates. These include templates for operating systems such as CentOS 8, Debian 10, Ubuntu 20.04, as well as rescue and diagnostic tools such as System Rescue CD and Hiren's Boot CD. What's more, you can easily customize installation templates to your individual preferences. Now, the best way to match the template to your needs is to create a copy of the selected template. Owing to this, you'll keep the original template for future use. Now, we don't recommend editing basic profiles, as well as fields such as architecture, edition, and GPXE script. As part of the customization of your template, you can freely edit such fields as mirror. That defines the mirror from which the installation files are downloaded. Disk layout. This defines the partitioning method of the disk. This script depends on the specific distribution of the operating system. Packages, which specify a list of system packages that will be installed. Post-installation script, which stands for the installation script that will be executed after the installation of the operating system. Moreover, the provisioning status and provisioning history sections give you the possibility to monitor the current and archived installations of the operating systems. You can also view logs that store key information on the progress made in the installation process. Are you ready to discover more? Don't forget to check out our next video, in which you'll learn how to install a selected operating system on a dedicated server. Contact us at EasyDCIM.com and schedule a live presentation to see how you can leverage EasyDCIM for your business.